maybe you are surprised why airlines can oversell their tickets to the passengers. So let's try to understand this problem or their business from the view of mathematics. Let's suppose a plane can accommodate 380 people. So that's the capacity of airplane. And because the passengers not always show up, for whatever reason, they skip their flight. So if we allow 1% of overbooked flight, that means the passenger may be bumped because of the oversell. Okay, so how many tickets can be sold at most? Okay, now 90% should be the average. Okay, if we can have this distribution in mind, we can see that it looks like this. This should be the average. Okay, 90%. Okay, 90% of the passengers will show up. What is the maximum capacity? 380. Okay. Sometimes people a little less, sometimes a little more show up. We don't know, but there's another parameter we can think about it. We call it sigma, the standard deviation. Okay. Now the average is mu. Okay. We do know that 99% will fall into the -3 sigma to +3 sigma. There's a range of 6 sigmas. 99% of the circumstances will fall into this range. So that means if we sell tickets, oversell tickets within that range, that means 99% of the flight, will be okay. No, everybody should have their seat, but we have 1%, flight maybe overbooked, so we have to compensate the passenger to reschedule their flight. Okay, the formula should be like this. So mu should be the average plus 3 sigma. That should be the maximum here. I highlight here. That should be the maximum. Okay, this line should be less equal than the maximum capacity. That means that we are trying to make everybody has a seat. Okay. Now, what is mu? Mu is equal P multiply N. P is the show up rate, the percentage. Okay, N is the maximum of the capacity. The sigma, because it's a binomial distribution, the sigma equals P1 minus P N. Okay, now we plug in those two parameters into this formula. P N plus 3 sigma P 1 minus P N should be less equal 380. So in this question, the P equals 0.9. So 0.9 N plus 3 P equals 0.9. 1 minus 0.9 equals 0.1 multiply N. Okay, so we take this out of the root of square, we can get 0.9 n plus 0.9 root less equal 380. So if we take out, because they all have 0.9, we take them out, 0.9 n plus the root of n less equal 3,800. Now we can divide it 0.9 for both sides. We get n plus the root of n less equal 380 divided by 9 should be 422. Okay, unlimited. This should be the formulas, final the results we can get. So we are trying to make the value of this formula, this function, less equal than 242. As long as we can make it, make the number within this range, or pass 99% of our flights would be fine. That means we can make sure that less than 1% of the passengers need to be rescheduled. Okay, so we can plug in all the numbers from, because the maximum capacity is 360. Okay, the capacity is 380. Sorry, 380. So we can try to sell 381, 382, and maybe 400. Okay, maybe 401. Okay, 402. We can try, as long as the value of this function is less than 422. We should be good. So let's take a look. We try all the numbers, because the maximum, don't forget, the maximum number should be 402. We cannot make a number more than that. That means many passengers may be bumped. We don't want the percentage more than 1%. Okay, so let's see. This is based on computer program. So we calculate 380. Okay, we insure 99% of insurance boarding passengers less than 359. So that means if we only sell 380 tickets, that's also the maximum capacity of our airplane. But 99% all passengers would be less 359. That means only 99%, only 359 people will show up at the boarding gate. So let's try 400. We just manually calculate it. Let's see, 400 and 400, we sell 400 tickets. Okay, the root of 400 equals what? 20. 400 plus 20 equals what? 420. It's still less than 422, right? So we're still good. That means even we sell 400 tickets to the passengers, we're still good. Let's take a look. This is a computer, calculated. 400. We have a 99% of assurance. Boarding passengers would be less than 378. Or don't forget, our maximum capacity is 380. So 778 is still less equal than 380. So we're still good. Well, let's take a look how many maximum number tickets we can sell. So 403, and we have 99% of our assurance. Boarding passenger would be less equal than 380. So I think the maximum ticket we can sell is 403. But it's safe. We sell a little less. Okay. So I hope this video can explain why and how the oversell tickets happens. See you next time.